प्रार्थना करोमि वा?
आम्.
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Okay.
किं कुर्मः?
समासा वयं
समासपुस्तकं समाप्तं न?
आम् समाप्तम्.
अतः किं कुर्मः? तदेव पुनरपि एकवारं कुर्मः वा?
अहम् एकम् अभ्यासः कृतवती.
ओ
Let me share my screen. Okay.
अस्तु।
Choose what to share. Okay. Rajeshri Mahoday, do you know how to share screen? It is asking me that choose what to share. Microsoft Edge tab, window, or entire screen.
If you want to share any particular tab on the screen, say full screen and click that tab.
Okay. Let me.
You have the material on a different tab, no? So you go to that tab and say choose this screen. That option, what option is there? Choose this tab, it will show.
Where to click? I don't know.
If you have the share screen option, share, it will show usually one or two options. What is it showing?
On this Zoom, it is showing me that when I choose the share screen, it show me choose what to share with app zoom.us. The site will be able to see the content of your screen. Microsoft Edge, window, or entire screen. So I choose entire screen. Okay.
Then pick that tab where you want to show the screen.
Oh, but it is not showing me. Does it show you?
See, I don't have sharing now because I'm not host, no?
No, but what do you see? Just
Only
me
you,
or
only you. I can't see the screen.
share?
Now it has
Now it has started.
Now it is coming.
Now it is coming.
Oh, the full
Oh, the
screen
full
is
screen
coming.
is coming.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, but
Oh, but
What is the other option you had?
Share screen.
Nay.
You are sharing your screen, but now
If I talk, now I can see. Now I can see. It's fine.
you can see.
Yes, yes.
So do the samasta vigraha vakyam and
Make it
samasanam.
make it little big. Make it little big.
Big. Uh,
Can you make
it's
it little big? Let me see.
now.
Better, better. Thank you.
Okay. So bhavati karotu.
दद्योधनः
Mm-hmm.
तृतीय तत्पुरुष दध्ना ओदनम दध्ना ओदनम सम्यक् वा?
Dadna. Okay. Dadna odanam. And samasanam kim?
तृतीय तत्पुरुष सम्यक् वा? दध्ना ओदनः ओदनः वा?
No, it may be my mistake. Let me check. It may be my mistake.
नहीं you might be right. ओदनः
Odanah.
अस्तु.
Right.
Okay, you
Rajashri Mohoday, aham can न द्रष्टुम शक्यते if someone is joining. So if you know, just let me know, okay?
till now nobody is there.
Okay. Gurudevah, Guru eva devah. It's avadharana purvapadam. Samyak va?
आम् गुरु एव देवः गुरुः देवः इव तदपि वक्तुं शक्यते न
आम्
गुरुः देवः इव भानुमहोदय किम् उक्तवान्
I think both are samyak. भवती दृष्टवती वा
किम्
गुरु एव देव और गुरुदेव एव
I have to search the अहं स्लाइड् मध्ये अन्वेषणं करणीयं बहु
आम् सम्यक् करोतु करोतु ओके अवधारणा विद्या एव धनं गुरु एव देवः
अस्तु
तत्र दीयते भवती अग्रिमं करोतु
यूपदारुः यूपायदारुः चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष
यूपाय
दारुः
यूपाय सो समासनं किम्
चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष
तत्पुरुष तृतीया
चतुर्थी
ओके भवती अर्थं जानाति वा यूपदारु
दारु इत्युक्ते वुड् पीस् यूप इत्युक्ते अहं चिन्तयामि यज्ञम् इति किमपि अस्ति तद् होमाय न सम्यक् न
because
जानामि, परन्तु दारु अस्ति, दारु इत्युक्ते वुडन् पीस्.
like a devdar.
देवदारु नै, किमपि काष्ठं न, वुड् किं वदामः, वुड् काष्ठं काष्ठं
Custom.
काष्ठं
Custom.
किमपि
Oh.
काष्ठस्य एकं वुड् पीस् इत्युक्ते किं वदामः, काष्ठस्य क्या बोलेंगे, टुकड़ा, वुडन टुकड़ा.
Pieces of wooden. Piece of wooden. Okay. Ahamapi na janati. That's why I did not did that.
न दारु इत्युक्ते वुड्, अहं जानामि. यूपः इत्युक्ते अहं चिन्तयामि यज्ञं न, होमं न, एतत् किमपि अस्ति.
Okay, yeah, right. We can say that this wood is for Agni or Yagna. There is a special kind of thing.
From where, कुतः एतत् स्वीकृतवती, एतत् अभ्यासम्?
अहं परीक्षापत्रं पूर्वं परीक्षापत्रं दृष्टवती, तत्रेण गृहीतवती.
अहमपि किं वदामि, रेजिस्ट्रेशन् इत्युक्ते
पञ्जीकरणं कृतवती वा?
करोमि. अहं इतः पूर्वम् उक्तवती, अहं जुलै अग्रिमवर्षे एव करोमि इति, परन्तु मम
भवती कृतवती
जनवरी मासे परीक्षां ददामि.
आम्, गुड्.
बहु कष्टम् अस्ति, परन्तु दास्यामि अहम्. किमर्थं चेत् यदि तत्पश्चात् 6 मासे परे करोमि चेत् सर्वं विस्मरामि.
आम्, रैट्, सम्यक्.
एव्रिथिङ्ग् विल् गो अप्.
कार्यचपलः, कार्येषु चपलः, सप्तमी तत्पुरुष.
अस्तु. द्वादशः, एतदहं न जानामि. द्वादशः, दश, मध्यमलोपि. द्वयधिकं दशं, दश, द्वयधिकं दश, द्वादश.
ओके, तदपि कर्तुं शक्यते, किन्तु समासपुस्तके पेज् नम्बर् 8 द्वौ च दशः च इति दीयते. समासपुस्तके पेज् नम्बर् 8. अहमपि न जानामि, किन्तु समासपुस्तके पेज् नम्बर् 8 इति दीयते.
कुत्र अस्ति पेज् नम्बर् 8?
पेज् नम्बर् 8. Let me take my book because I don't have book with me.
द्वौ च दश च द्वादश इति द्वन्द्वः.
किन्तु अहं चिन्तयामि 2+10 इति अपि सम्यक् इति मन्ये.
एकनिमिषं भगिनि. पेज् 44 पश्यतु
आम्
44 पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 44 ओ 2 अधिकाः 10 12
2 अधिकाः 10 अहं तदर्थं वक्ष्यामि that मध्यमपद अपि सम्भवति 2 अधिकाः 10
ओ 2 च 10 च
So let me write down over here page. Okay. So इति दीयते भवती कृतवती वा समास पुस्तक ओके 3 पथम
My
अहं
God.
3 पथम त्रयाणां पथानां समाहारः सो द्विगु समासः
समाहार द्विगु त्रयाणां पन्थानां भवति न
समाहार द्विगु
त्रयाणां पन्थानां न
आम् ओ पन्था why I wrote पन्था स्पन्थानां right
पन्थानाम् इति एकवारं पश्यतु पथानाम् अहं न सम्यक् जानामि महोदय त्रयाणां
अहमपि न जानामि
पथिन् शब्दं न अहं दृष्ट्वा वदामः वा
आम्
एकनिमिषम्
right
एकनिमिषं महोदय षष्टि न
आम्
ओ पथाम् पथः पथोः पथाम् भवती सम्यक् एव लिखितवती पथाम् पथानां पथाम् पथाम्
ओके सो सम्यक्
I'll tell you पन्थाः पन्थानौ पन्थानः पन्थानं पन्थानौ पथः then षष्टि is पथः पथोः पथाम्
ओके
पथाम् त्रयाणां पथाम् तद् शुद्धं करोतु पथां समाहारः
पथाम् so षष्टि is पथाम्
आम्
इदानीं 1 minute like this no पथाम समाहार right
न पथानां न पथाम्
no पथाम्
आम्
इदानीं सम्यक्
सम्यक् अस्ति
so प्रातिपदिकं पथिं
पथिन् महोदय रुक्कु महोदय आगतवती महोदय
नमस्ते सर्वेभ्यः
सर्वे नमस्ते भवती करोतु कदन्नं
भवती रीड् करोतु महोदय मम कृते can you read it I can't see
कदन्नं समस्तपदम् is कदन्नं विग्रहवाक्यं वदतु समासनाम वदतु
oh विग्रहवाक्यं कदन्नं oh god अर्थः कः?
अर्थः अन्नम्
अन्नं कद्
कदन्नम्
तृतीय तत्पुरुष अन्नेन सह
ओ कः
मिश्रः इति
ओ ओके
but what annam I don't know. Kadannam
okay 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 kad
I don't know.
ka iti not gudaha no what
No gudaha no.
okay okay
Ahamapi na janami mahodaya. I'm guessing.
annam kad it's kad plus annam but kaha shabdah is not kad I'm not janami. I have to think about these things.
का चिन्तयतु कदा का गच्छति समस्तपदे समस्तपदे कदा का आगच्छति चिन्तयतु
अहमपि न जानामि महोदय का इत्युक्ते
not kutsita but ka is it for the kutsita ka iti kutsita eva oh kutsita annam kutsitam annam kutsitam annam so visheshana purvapada karmadharaya
न महोदय
किमर्थं
no I'm not my brain is in such a fog mahodaya I'm not janami
न कुत्सितम् अस्ति किल कुत्सितं तो किं समासः that word kutsitam comes what samasah
oh I told him something not upapada God knows I don't know what it is I don't know mahodaya I don't remember anything this morning I'm still sleepy Kusamasah oh my God and
even I forgot kadannam
okay prabheda kusamasah kasya समादः group में प्रभेदः
नै प्रभृतयः
okay तत्पुरुष okay oh धन्यवादः महोदय I've completely forgotten all these things you have to read
I forgot I suddenly when mahodaya told ka iti kutra bhavati tadanim
annam I'm just thinking but then I just couldn't
nay aham chintitavati tritiya tatpurusha annam mishram gudam
that's when you said that then I'm trying to think of the meaning for it
I misled you sorry
no okay. See aham na janami so if I didn't know I would follow you that's all my fault
Harsha Mahodaya gave correct
yeah she did
who iti kim
samasah yeah so nai tatpurusha okay not nai prabhuti oh my God whatever it is now I see I can't kusamasa which is a prabheda of nai prabhudaya nai tatpurusha samasa okay good thank you
Mahodaya upaya you dirgha you
oh
oh upaya daruhu daruha
daruhu
okay I will write down later on okay mama no bhavatyaah avasar right pancharatram
mama avasarah va न भवत्याः न अहं अस्तु पञ्चरात्रं पञ्चानां रात्रीणां समाहारः पञ्चरात्रं द्विगु समाहारद्विगु
रात्रि दीर्घं भवति रैट् मम दोषः Okay.
We'll
Pani
have,
padam.
अस्तु.
Huh?
न न
Ratrinam.
Ratrinam. So ratri dीर्घ भवति, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So mama dosha. I some suddhi karomi.
Mm-mm.
Pani padam. Pani cha. Padau cha. इत समाह इतरेतर समाहार द्वन्द्वः.
See, Panaucha, Padecha.
पाणी दीर्घ णी पाणी च
Pani,
पादौ
Pani. Oh, okay. Pani, Pani, Panau.
पादौ च. So
Okay.
it's samahar.
Mm.
एतेषां समाहार. पाणी च पादौ च एतेषां समाहार.
And then Datta Dakshina. Who else is there?
Nobody else, only we three.
We three, okay. Datta Dakshina Mama Avasaraha? Dattam, no, Dakshina, Dattaha, Dakshina, Datta, Dakshina. See, there are possible two things, right? There, I mean, two types of samasas are possible. Datta, Dakshina, Yasyai, Sa. That will be Bahuvrihi. And then that will be Datta, Daksha, Yasya. So would we call it Chaturtyartha Bahuvrihi? Okay. And then Datta, Dakshina will be like a Tatpurusha. Karmadharya. Not Tatpurusha, Karmadharya.
Datta Dakshina.
Karmadharya.
No. First type is Bahuvrihi. Datta, Dakshina, Yasyai Sa. That is Bahuvrihi. I think Samasa Dvayam Bhavitam Arhati Tatra iti aham manye.
Datta Dakshina iti Karmadharya Bhavitam Arhati va.
No. See that Dakshina itself is Datta. So you're referring only to maybe Tatpurusha Samhasa. Datta Dakshina.
Tatpurusha va. Kim Tatpurusha?
Well, I don't know what
Tatpurusha can it be?
See that the Prathama Vibhakti Tatpurusha, that is like a Karmadharya, actually. That's why I said Karmadharya. See, when it is in Prathama Vibhakti, when this Visheshanam happens, I think that is what is called Karmadharya. That Karmadharya is just a Praveda of Tatpurusha, right? So that's why I said it's Karmadharya. Datta, Dakshina, Datta iti Visheshanam asti Dakshina iti padasya. Ityaham manye.
भवती सम्यक् उक्तवती. दत्त दक्षिणा बहुव्रीहि समासः. किमर्थम् अहं चिन्तयामि दत्त दक्षिणा महिला या पुरुषः गतवतः.
Yeah, but I think there's another thing is also possible. See, if it is not a Bahuvrihi, Dakshina is a Strilinga Padam. See, so Datta Dakshina, that's right. The Dakshina that was given, that's it. It is not referring to anybody else. That is also possible, is what I'm saying. That way, that will be the second description of this samasa. See, there are sometimes. That's why I said Karmadharya.
Okay. I thought Karmadharya, okay, yeah, you can call it as Visheshana.
But वयं भानुमहोदये पृच्छामः।
परन्तु हर्षमहोदय भवती विशेषणपूर्वपदकर्मधारे इत्येव लिखितवती.
But this is me. If I am wrong also, so we
No,
don't
no,
know.
no. See, Bhagodaya, see, both of us are thinking. I said there are two are possible, is what I am thinking. See, there are sometimes, depending on, sambandha.
Depending on the sandarbha, right?
Sandarbha, if we na janati chet, समासद्वयम् अर्हत् भवितुम् अर्हति इत्यहं मन्ये. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. या बहुव्रीहि अपि भवितुम् अर्हति किन्तु सन्दर्भ न दीयते.
न दीयते. अत्र you can write both of them and give the reference, not reference, but give the explanation. See, right? Datta dakshina yasyai sa, then tatra bahuvrihi, and then for the second one, like the second samasa, you can write datta dakshina as a visheshana purvapada karmadharaya.
So we have to ask this question.
अस्तु, वदनारविन्दं वदनम् अरविन्दम् इव उपमान उत्तरपदकर्मधारे. सम्यक् वा? वदनम्
सम्यक्.
अरविन्दम् इव उपमान उत्तरपदकर्मधारे.
Where is answer? Okay. I don't know why it is not. Now.
Samyak eva? No?
Samyak, but I am na janami. Oh, something is happened. Yeah. Idanim. Vadanam Arvindam iva. उपमान उत्तरपदं कर्मधारय. भवती करोतु. मम अवसर सपत्नीकः. सो पत्न्याः सह वर्तते इति.
Okay. पुनरेकवारं विग्रहवाक्यं वदतु.
पत्न्याः सह वर्तते इति.
No, पत्न्याः सह न, it's पत्न्या सह, right? तृतीया.
आमां, पत्न्या सह.
Yeah, विसर्ग
नास्ति.
तत्र.
Okay.
And then the ka is there because of the ikaranta pada.
So visarga nasti, right?
Patnya saha, it's not patnyaha saha, patnya saha.
Tritiya.
Patnya saha vartate iti. Samyak.
So the vyakarana vishesham tatra is ka iti agachati ante because the sapatni iti ikaranta pada.
Bhavati karotu.
Yeah, okay. Vyasa kanva kapilaha. So this is इतरेतर द्वन्द्वसमासः
आम्
व्यासश्च कण्वश्च कपिलाः कपिलश्च व्यासकण्वकपिलाः
It will be kanva, nakaram, kanva.
व्यास
कुत्र
Oh, it will
कुत्र
be kanva, is it? Okay.
कण्वः
Nakaram
एव
asti. Astu. Kanva eva.
भवती करोतु राजश्री महोदय
मनोनिर्मितं मनसा निर्मितं मनोनिर्मितं तृतीया तत्पुरुषम्
सम्यक् ओके मम अवसरः लघुरेखा रेखा is a strilingam padam so लघुता रेखा विशेषण पूर्वपदं कर्मधारय
पुनरेकवारं वदतु विग्रहवाक्यं
लघुता रेखा अहमपि न
लघुता
सम्यक् जानामि लघुता रेखा विशेषणपूर्वपद
किमर्थं लघुता
कर्मधारय
किमर्थं लघु
अहमपि न जानामि लघु इस् अ पुल्लिङ्गपदं रैट्
लघ्वी इति भवति इति मन्ये लघ्वी पट्वी इति भवति I can check just hold on
okay just check
पट्वी
patuhu strilingam is patvi just a minute I'll check
okay
check for laghu also
I'm checking laghu 1 minute
yeah checking in what ashtadhyayi kutra bhavati
kosha
oh kosha
1 second laghu no laghu I think this problem it says laguhu or lagvi you can use laguhu as strilingam
oh okay
or you
so
can
like
use lagvi
vadu dhenu shabda
denuhu like denuhu you can use laguhu is pullingam laguhu is strilingam you can use lagvi also
okay
and laghu is napunsakam
oh okay in napumsakalinge visargah nasti पटुः इत्यर्थे कः अर्थः महोदय समर्थः and so patvi is the strilinga
yeah laghu that's why I thought if patu is that laghu will be patvi so that was correct
but you were correct yeah okay lagvi that's okay
okay रुकु महोदय भवत्याः अवसरः
okay tapahrit so it is tapahrit I think it's visheshana purvapada karma dharaya no but that will be hrid but again this api the I am api समासद्वयं कर्तुं शक्नोति इत्यहं मन्ये तापः हृदि यस्य सः will be tapahrit that will be bahuvrihi or tap then tapah hridi no tapah hrit. No. It could also be karmadharaya, Visheshana Purvapada karmadharaya. Hrid. So, tapaha hrit, that will be karmadharaya, I think. But tapam hridi yasya saha, that will be bahuvrihi.
Mahodaya, Harsha Mahodaya, can I? I thought
What?
I didn't think of bahuvrihi, but tapaha hridi yasya saha. That sounds fine. Aham chintitavati tapam harate iti tapahrit. Correct. Upapada.
Hrit. Oh.
Tapaha harati iti tapahrit.
See,
Upapada api samyak.
no. See, harat. Okay. Hrit harati. But kaha artha tapa harati iti tapa hrit.
Harati datuna rupam pashyami ekanimisham. Harati.
Yeah. Harati. So it's like a kumbham karoti iti. Iva.
Harati. Harati eva na hru dhatu. Hru
dhatu.
Hrit ityukte.
Hrit ityukte hridi. Hrid shabdah. Hridi.
Is custom anubhavati. Tapena root means. Tapena root means custom anubhavati. Tapena.
Tapa hrid, and then the takarantaha bhavati because of chatva sandhi, See, instead of that will be tapa hrid for a bahuvrihi, it will be a dakaranta shabdaha. Tapa hrid. If it's a bahuvrihi.
Hrid you're saying, no?
Hrid. But parantu, the following that, if there is a khar shabdah, khar adya padam asti chet, then it will become chatva sandhi. So that's why I was thinking. But you this is also, that's why I say samasa dvayam.
No, what is the one is bahuvrihi?
Other one is what you said. The apam harati iti upapada.
Na mahodaya. Harati dhatuna
Hru dhatuhu.
Na hruna harati ityeva diyate.
Harati ityeva diyate. Oh, okay.
Na hru dhatu, correct. Hru dhatu. Parantu hrit iti bhavitum arhati va? Aham na janami.
No. See, if you have the whole sentence, aham na janami. I'm just thinking about it. Different ways.
No. Mahodaya told bhashyam karoti iti bhashyakaraha atava bhashyakrit. So
that's why
then it is correct only. 1 minute. Let me see hrid shabdam. Just I'm not able to type hrid. 1 minute. Hrid shabdam. 1 second. Hrid. Tapam. Bhavatya kim uktam? Tapam.
Hridi is in Hridi. Saptami is Hridi. I think. Hirdapa. Tapam. Hridi yasya saha. It could be tapa hrid. But it could be dakara.
Kosha anvesham diyate. Any cause of going wrong or falling. Ruth.
Hrid ityukte manas chittam
Manas.
cheta hridaya.
Yeah.
Ekanimsham. Mahodaya. न अस्तु भवती आशा महोदय अग्रे सरन्तु.
Agre, yeah, we can ask Bhanu Mahodaya about this.
No, I think she is correct. Tapaha manasi hridi yasya saha. Correct.
So what do you think? Bahuri?
Both. It can be both, I think. Tapam harati iti, that is upapada.
So Trutya Tatprushna agacchati. Trutya is not samyak.
I feel Tritiya is not correct.
Okay, so I put a question mark over here. So we can ask Bhanu Mahodaya.
Tritiya, what is Tritiya? I don't understand. What? Oh, okay.
Tapena Ruth. That's why I wrote like that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I think it should be.
No, Tapena Kritna. Tapena Kritna. Sadhu, na sadhu.
Okay, so Bhavati kim chintitvati? Tapaha
hridi.
Tapaha hridi yasya saha.
Tapaha?
न जानामि तापः तापम्.
Wait, I'll check whether what word it is.
I think it's a tapa is a pullinga padam.
Tapaha, if I'm right.
Right.
Oh, you know, Mahodaya.
So Bhavatyaha vigraha vakyam kim?
No, I said tapaha hridi yasya saha is what I said, but it should be dakaranta, not takaranta. Unless, you have the sambandha and the next pada starts with the karkasha kar shabdaha, kar pratyahara. Otherwise, the tav, it will be, I think, I don't know. But tapena hrit, no.
So Rajashri Mahoday Bhavati kim chintitvati?
I feel both are correct. Upapada and Bahuri. Mahodaya, hrit idi dve api rupani asti.
Oh, then it is correct. Then it is definitely the samasa dvayam asti tatra. Or bhavitum arhati tatra.
Hrit.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we can ask Bhanu Mahodaya then. Okay, so I put a question mark over there.
Tapaha hridi. But only thing is, tapaha is pullinga shabdam. Hridi is napunsakam.
That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for that. See, it's only for Visheshana kind of a thing. It is the linga samanam karaniyam. For this, you don't have to.
Okay.
See.
Astu.
Okay, Bhavati Rajashri Mahoday karatu.
Avasaraha anupalabdhi. 1 minute. Let me think. Adharmaha means na dharmaha. Upalabdhi. Na upalabdhi. Anupalabdhi. Samyak va? Na upalabdhi.
Samyak.
Na
See,
upalabdhi. Anupalabdhi.
Aniti bhavati because it's who is the prathama parnaha. Swaraha asti chet aniti bhavati.
So Nai Tatpurusha.
Yeah.
Nai Tatpurusha.
सम्यक् नास्ति वा हर्ष महोदय?
तदपि अहं चिन्तयति. Okay. Anupalabdhi. Maybe you are right, but
no, did you think it's Bahuvrihi? Because the only two things possible are Bahuvrihi, natu Nai Tatpurusha, na Nai Bahuvrihi. It can't be Bahuvrihi.
okay.
Na, Mahodaya, Ruku Mahodaya, what do you think?
I don't think it's Bahuvrihi. Tatpurusha.
Ana Upalabdhi.
Na Upalabdhi. Na Upalabdhi.
Na Upalabdhi.
Anupalabdhi. Nai Tatpurusha.
Okay, Nai Tatpurusha. अहमपि न जानाति सम्यक् नai tatpurusha.
So I'm quite sure.
No. Yeah. See, if it is a Upalabdhi, Arthaha kaha. He didn't get it. I mean, it was not obtained. That's the meaning, right?
Okay, अहं लिखितवती प्रादिसमासः. But no. Pradisamaase
Katham Pradisamasah?
Right. Anna, it is not there.
No,
So
Yeah.
it is
Anu
Naya
is there.
Tatpurusha. Bhavati right.
No,
Yeah,
Anu is a upasarga, but Palabdhi iti shabdah nasti. Upalabdhi ityeva asti. Ataha there is a word called Anupalabdhi.
Huh?
Yeah. That means you didn't get that. Upalabdhi is you obtained something. That is, Parantu Anupalabdhi, you didn't get it. I'm trying to see whether it could be Bahuvrihi also, but Sambandha na janati na janimah chet. I think you just have to say Naitat Purusha.
Yeah, Naya Tatpurusha.
Naitat Purusha eva.
I don't know. I cannot able to type right now. Naya.
No problem, no problem.
Okay. Kodanda Ramaha. Kodanda Daraha Ramaha Madhyam Padalopi. सम्यक् वा?
Kodandadaraha Ramaha.
और कोदण्डः रामः
न भवती सम्यक् एव उक्तवती. कोदण्डधरः
सम्यक् रैट्?
ओके मध्यमपदलोपि. रुकु महोदय,
कदा
चिन्तनं किम्? भवत्याः चिन्तनं किम्?
That sounds right. I'm trying to remember. There is one more. I'm trying to. No. I think that sounds right.
Yes, it is correct.
Madhyama lopi. Yeah. Kadasana. Mama vasarah. Rajit. Huh? Mama. Oh. Kadasana. Oh God. This is again the. Is it the Kusamasaha? Okay. Kutsitaha asanam. Asana kutsita. So kutsitaha asanam. There is Kusamasaha. Okay. Eva. Nothing else.
Kutsitam asanam.
Kutsitam asanam.
Asanam is a Napunsaklingam. Okay.
Ekikritya anekam 1 minute. Let me think. अनेकम् एकं कृत्वा एकीकृत्य
आम्.
गतिसमः
Yeah.
आम्.
विग्रहवाक्यं साधु परन्तु gati sama. Oh, okay. See, I never remember the name of the samasa. I can give the vigraha vakyam. Anyway.
अनेक एका कृत्वा वा
अहं न जानामि. That's why I wrote, please check.
No, but anekam ekam kritva or anekah ekah kritva api.
No. It has to be ekam because kritva is twa pratyaya na dvitiya bhavati.
Okay. So
No. It doesn't matter. Kritva doesn't have to. What's the explanation?
See, it comes as asacham swacham kritva. I think because kritva is there, dvitiya vibhakti should precede it, no?
I think right. Yeah, that's why we have to write in a Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah. Dvitiya vibhakti. Astu. Dvitiya vibhakti.
Right. Anekam ekam krutva. Navaratram. Navanam ratrinam.
एकनिमिषः अहं चिन्तयामि अनेकः एकं कृत्वा अनेकान् एकं कृत्वा.
No. See, atra diyate asuklam shuklam krutva. Aswacham swacham krutva. Abhasmam bhasmam.
No, but aneka is it's actually I see anekaha itself means more than one, right? So that's why I said anekaha, but anekaha api anekam api sadhu eva.
Anekam ekam kritva.
Yeah.
Navaratram. Harsha Mahodi.
Okay. Navanam ratrinam samaharaha samahara dviguh.
Astu Mahodi.
Yeah. So aham ratri atrapi hasva likhitavati. I will change it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome.
Mahodaya. Etat bhavati.
Krishna Kristavati.
Huh?
Oh my goodness.
Bhavati pratna shlokam karoti va Rajashri Mahoday.
Am. Na Harsha Mahodaya swayameva etat
Krishnan
sarvam
कृतवती
व्यासरूपेण कृतवती.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः. बहु धन्यवादः. बहु
सम्यक् अस्ति. This is
दोषाः सन्ति तत्र.
No. It's very good. Very good.
It's very good. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. भवती प्रार्थना श्लोकं करोतु.
ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शान्तिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. धन्यवादः महोदय.
हर्ष महोदय.